Hi, welcome back to Twist Fashion, or if you're new here, please subscribe. I do all sorts of DIYs, mainly fascinators and hats, but I'm creeping more fashion and accessories into it. If you'd like to see a particular DIY, then please let me know in the comments, and let's get started. Right, so for this DIY, you'll need some shoes, like these. I'm using tulle. Jimmy Choo actually used crinoline, but that's a lot more expensive. So I thought I'd try this. I'm using a little bit of ribbon, but you can use any kind of black fabric just to finish the bow off in the middle. Needle and thread for the middle, and some super glue. Right, so basically I've got 1.5 meters of tulle, and that's 10 centimeters wide. So I'm going to start with measuring out 24 centimeters. There we go. So it's 24. So half that to 13. There we go, 13. So 24 is there. Fold that on itself. So you basically, the middle is 12 centimeters and you're overlapping by 1 centimeter, because that will catch in the middle. You take it back to the same length. Keep folding it. 24 again. And once more. So you get 3 bows on top of each other. That's my take on it, because Jimmy Choo did I think 4 bows on top of each other. Right, so a little bit less, and then again you've got 1 centimeter overlap in the middle. That makes sense. So I'm going to fold that double and scrunch it together. And then I'm prepared my needle and thread with a knot at the end, just so that when you put the middle ribbon on it, it doesn't just loop out. So this is all nicely secured together. You go around it a few times, sew around it. So as I said before, I do all sorts of DIYs. Let me know if you want to see anything in particular, or if you have any questions. Please let me know in the comments box. Please do like the video as well if you liked it. I'm going to twist that round and make a knot. There we go. Cut that off. You got the 3 bows. Then you're going to stick on your ribbon or your little bit of fabric. Even if you don't have fabric, you can use the same material, just fold it twice or 3 times, 4 times, whatever thickness you'd like. So I'm going to use my super glue. This is just from Wilko if you live in England, you've got a Wilkinson. Or you can get super glue. This is fabric glue actually, or multi-purpose glue. But yeah, you can buy fabric glue, or you can buy it online if you're abroad, or any good craft store will have fabric glue. So I'm just going to start at the top, turn it around to the back. And if you ever get some glue on the bow by mistake, I find that nail varnish remover is a good way to get it off. But luckily I didn't do that this time. So, and then get your shoe. So these were from eBay, I think, quite relatively cheap. And then you just super glue the back, and then I've obviously done the same bow and stuck that to the heel of the foot. You can obviously Some people prefer both bows on the front because it does look maybe a little bit odd to have them like that, but that's how Jimmy Choo did it. I quite like them. So hope you love this video, or like it at least. Please let me know. Please let me know if you got any constructive feedback. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.